What a day it has been for ICP. What's up guys, it's your boy Lex Money. In today's video we jump straight back into ICP. But before we get into that, make sure all of you have smashed that like button, turn on post notifications, drop me a sub. Let's get into ICP. The days are getting closer. And one day, this is going to say one day, until the Bitcoin halving. We're at 69k today. ETH is at 3.5k. ICP, we're sitting at 18th, still $18.50. If you haven't watched the two previous videos, pause the video, go and watch them. But if you have, then you would know we have a key level of interest that we're meeting resistance at. So we'll get into the trading view at the end of the video. But what's going on with ICP today? Yesterday I said to you guys, it's go time. It looked like we were breaking the resistance. And when you compare ICP to Bitcoin today, it has been outperforming the market. Even though we are on a dip right now, generally it was outperforming the rest of the crypto market. It seems like FOMO is in full effect for this leg. Remember, nobody wanted ICP when it was at $10 to $15, and now FOMO is starting to increase now that we're above $15. But our boy Scotty Boy here reckons, ICP World News, reckons that ICP FOMO is going to happen around $35. Now I think ICP FOMO is happening right now as we speak, and you're going to see why in just a second. But don't get caught into the FOMO, guys. This is the #1 mistake that people are going to make. They're going to buy at $20. What did I say to you guys? I think it was last week, maybe the week before. Why am I naked? Maybe the week before. I said to you guys, $20, watch how everybody floods into the market. Go pause the video and backtrack if you think I'm lying. But that is what I'm seeing right now, and everybody is starting to buy ICP, and everyone's saying it's going to $50 now, and now they're saying it's going to $100, it's going to go to $200, is it going to go to $1,000, right? I'm seeing all these narratives as to why ICP is the top #1 coin and why it's going to go to a certain price. But remember, we are getting the multipliers because we prepared ourselves. And I'm not going to play this out loud because it's just not working for me right now, guys, so I apologize. You can just go and follow Perry. But it's happening again. The great shift has started. Coin Bureau has started to talk about ICP again. What did I say? I said all the top YouTubers are going to start to flood in saying ICP is the best tech. ICP is the best tech. We knew it was the best tech. Even in this dip, it's the best tech. If it goes down to $15, it's still the best tech, guys. So remember that and try not to get caught into the FOMO. Now, there was a big partnership announced between 3 major AI companies, and that was Agix, Fetch AI, and Ocean. Now, I'm telling you, ICP is going to go absolutely insane. After the huge AI merger announcement today, we got a likely ICP. But what we know is that AI completely on chain is going to be via ICP. And you can see here, SingularityNet. We're excited to announce a multi-billion-dollar token merger with Fetch AI, Ocean Protocol, and then Agix as well to create the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, the largest open source decentralized network, and accelerate the race to AGI. Now, look at that little likely ICP here. Now, this is big, guys. I mean, some of these coins, Agix and Fetch, we were getting in the members club for dirt cheap. Maybe we'll get into Ocean as well. But to see these 3 tokens merge together, that is amazing. What if they try to implement some of ICP's technology in it as well, guys? That could be super ham for the price of ICP. But with all that being said, what's going on in the chart today? Like clockwork, guys, haven't touched this chart at all, and I'm not going to touch this chart because right now this is like, we have been tracking this perfectly. And I say to all of the members as well, plan your future ahead so that it makes each day a lot easier. If you can plan that we're going to a certain price, or you can see that we've got a resistance here, or you're saying, right, this is my exit strategy, you're not going to be saying, oh, I need to sell ICP at $20 now because it's pumped up 100%. when your target's at like $100 plus, right? And the same goes for buying. If you think that there's a massive resistance here, why would you buy into this pump? And that is why I didn't buy into this pump. So we could be having some resistance around this area. And are we going to come back down to this like 16.35 level? Maybe we go even lower to 15 or back to the upper area of this channel at around $14. And this is the daily chart, guys. So this could take some time. This could take like a good few days for us to come down, even weeks as well. So you guys have to be prepared. If you bought into this hype and you bought more ICP at like $18, $19, if this thing comes back down to $16 and you're not buying more, then I don't know what to tell you. You're just going to buy into the next leg, right? And I said to all of you guys here, everybody who's not buying this area here, you're going to be buying up here. And I'm starting to see that now. But right now, we still haven't had a 4-hourly, a daily, or a weekly close above this resistance. And speaking of planning ahead, guys, This is the max that I'm trying to plan ahead to. And people are going to say, oh, ICP is going to go way higher than that. That is fine. But from where we got ICP, guys, the majority of our bag, we would still get a 48x to $200. So that is why I'm able to get out earlier, because I got in earlier and I'm not chasing these pumps. We traded the breakout like a boss. Look at those two levels here. A 48x is possible. If you're trying to get it from today's price, you're not getting a 48x, guys. You're getting just about a 10x, maybe an 11x at max if you are selling it at 200. And then that's where people become bag holders, because they say, oh, I need to get a 50x from ICP, so that means I need to get $1,000 ICP. And then it never comes, and then they hold their bag forever, or they end up selling in the bear market for minus 80%. Don't let that be you. But guys, I'm not making this a long one for you today. I mean, all we need to do is keep a close eye on that resistance, and we need to close 4-hour, daily and weekly above